In this video, I'll show you how to fix the emblem of your Volvo steering wheel in case it's faded out the way it is right over here. This is the steering wheel of a Volvo S80. It's the same on the XC70, and I don't know if the S60 has the same. Anyway, the part number over here is this one. And at my Volvo dealership in Canada, it cost me around $7 and something. So around $5 US. It's pretty cheap, so you don't even have to buy a knockoff. Just go to your dealership. Anyway, I already started doing it. What you need to do is to remove the old sticker, because this is just a sticker. Take a blade like this one, and you need to put it in one of the corners. Be very gentle, and you'll be able to go under the sticker that is currently present and lift it. And once it's lifted the way it is right now, you can simply take your finger and start pulling it just like that. Rip it out. It's normal, you're gonna have some glue residue, as you see. And now it's time to clean it before putting this new emblem. So with your blade, you're gonna scrape all this black glue that you see over here. You see it's coming out. It may take a few minutes. Just be patient and do the whole thing. All right, it's much better. I ended up using some cleaning product, just some Dawn mixed with water. That's what I'm using, and I rubbed the most I could. So simply go on the back and peel this paper over here that will reveal the sticky part. And now it's simply time to align it the best you can over there. Obviously with two hands it's a bit easier. And now simply press. This is it. I hope it was useful. Please leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, and I will see you in the next one.